competitors think they have what it takes to be the chopped champion. Welcome, chefs. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And you must use sturgeon filet, cucumber, yuzu juice, and black mission figs. You will have only 20 minutes for your appetizer course. Time starts now.
I know right away what I want to do with the sturgeon. It's going to be pan-seared. Since it's a very thick, meaty fish.
And I want to make this melt in your mouth, kind of a fish croquette. So I fillet sturgeon so that I can poach the fish.
Ceviche is a dish from Latin America. It's fish that's been marinated in citrus to help cook the protein. And I'm from Mexico, so that's where I naturally go to.
Sturgeon is a great fish. It needs high searing heat. You gotta caramelize it. My strategy is to focus, execute, and deliver. I taste the sturgeon. It's still totally overly sweet, but no time to change anything.
Behind you.
Fanny is back in the pantry with 15 seconds left.
I'm looking for finishing salt.
And here is your final countdown, chefs. 10,
I can't find it.
8, 7, 6,
I'm down to the wire right now.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Zaina.
I prepared cumin-scented seared sturgeon, marinated in yuzu, and caramelized fig.
There's some great flavors here, really balanced, bright and vibrant, which is great. Where's the salt? My main concern is that it's under-seasoned.
And next we have Chef Fanny.
Hi. This is a citrus marinated sturgeon.
There's a lot of really good, well-balanced flavors here, and the cucumber's great, but it's screaming for a little bit of spice.
Chef Kenneth.
I did a pan-seared sturgeon with a sweet potato pancake.
Kenny, the fish is perfectly cooked. I really like the textural contrast we're getting throughout the whole dish, and I like the sweet potato.
Chef Prasad.
Hello, chefs. How are you? I made you a nice fish croquette.
I'm surprised how much I like the combination of all these flavors.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Prasad, you have been chopped. Chef Zaina, Chef Fanny, Chef Kenneth, please open your baskets. And you must use mutton chops, baby leeks, Russian banana potatoes, and orange gelatin.
Oh, I hate you.
This is what you'll be up against in the next 30 minutes. Time starts now.
It's gamey, so I marinate it right away with garlic, balsamic vinegar, and herbs.
So I seasoned the hell out of it. Salted, peppered it, put some of the mutton fat in the pan with peppers and onions.
I'm going to broil it, but I want to marinate it first with some garlic, parsley, olive oil, salt, pepper.
Does Fanny know how much time she has to plate?
Chefs, we are down to 1 minute. You've really got to get stuff on those plates.
The meat doesn't look like there was a lot of broiling going on. I think they might be rough.
Oh my God.
It's just not working. I just don't know what to do. Oh, there's not enough time.
Again, Fanny's leaving her station with 17
Very
seconds.
soon, there will be 0 on the clock.
I need another plate. I'm gonna be disqualified.
10,
Come on,
9,
Fanny, come on, you
Gotta
can
get, she can get it on the plate. Get it on the plate.
6,
Oh, God.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, chefs. Please step back.
Why did I agree to do this?
Went so much smoother in my head.
Yeah, right?
Chef Zaina.
The dish that I prepared for you is grilled mutton chops with ratatouille of Russian banana potatoes with baby leeks.
I actually like the flavor of the sauce. The orange gelatin is such a random ingredient and sort of this perfume to the sauce.
Next up, Chef Fanny.
Hello.
Can you tell the judges the name of your dish?
Sure, it's broiled mutton with smashed potatoes and a chipotle orange jus.
The seasoning on the potatoes is fantastic.
I can't say enough about the flavors on this dish. The marinade is great, and the herbs and the fact that you're kind of slathered it all on there, I was like, okay, that's flavor.
Thank you.
And the last entree the judges will taste, Chef Kenneth's.
All right, I did a pan-seared mutton chops with mutton fat lyonnaise potatoes and a orange rosemary gastrique with poached leeks.
I love the presentation. It was sort of this rustic, bistro-y kind of plate.
Your mutton, it's cooked nicely. There's nice flavor, but again, salt. I could use a little bit more salt.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Fanny, you've been chopped. Chef Zina, Chef Kenneth, back again for one last cooking round, a head-to-head fight. You ready for this?
Yes.
Born ready.
Excellent. Please open your baskets. And in your desserts, you must use pasilla chiles, pineapple, Israeli couscous, and Mexican chocolate. You have 30 minutes for the dessert course, starting now.
The pineapple is a no-brainer. Caramelize it and glaze it. It's me and Zina. She's a total competitor. And that's okay. I'm gonna show her exactly what an old man can do. Right, honey?
I see this pasilla chili, and immediately I want to do a Mexican theme. I want to make poached pineapple and Israeli couscous pudding. My meal today is to showcase my exposure to global cuisine. The first round, I went Asian. The second round, I went Mediterranean. And then the third round, I take them to Latin America.
Like, what am I gonna do? This is good to go, right?
It's very quiet in this kitchen right now.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
I still feel like Chef Ken is putting his plan together.
It's last shot for me. Yeah, there's no round 4.
I am really nervous that I'm not going to be able to put everything on the dessert plates.
Chefs, you must finish up right away.
I go get some mint to garnish with mint.
10, 9,
Kenny should be at his station.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh my God.
1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Kenneth.
Well, it's a little play on rice pudding. I use Israeli couscous, melted Mexican chocolate and cream, and then I caramelized the pineapple in white sugar and rum.
The pineapple is delicious. It has that richness from the cream and the chili. It works so well.
Next up, Chef Zina.
I prepared poached pineapple, pasilla chili, and Israeli couscous pudding, topped with pineapple and Mexican chocolate and fruit salad.
How much pasilla chili did you put in here? I don't know if you're getting a
I'm
lot.
getting a
'cause
lot, yeah.
They're not super spicy chilies, but there's a lot of heat in here.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Zina, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Kenneth Johnson, that you are the chopped champion.
Yeah, baby. This is what I'm talking about.
Very nice.